There was only a handful of guys in the California offshore group who took safety really, really seriously. Most people, including myself, were wearing a slippery side entry or even a pullover, zip up, or buckled together vest. All right. As long as it met the minimum, they were fine with it. The problem is that open ocean with all your riding gear on, boots, gloves, full vest, or full suit, helmet, suddenly you weigh a lot more than you normally do. And that life vest is struggling to move your body over, because that's what a life vest is supposed to do. It's supposed to roll you over and get you upright. Okay. Most life vests that we wear, most life vests that I review on the Watercraft Journal will not do that. They're not built for that. It's bare minimum. All right. I want it comfortable. Okay, great. I want maximum mobility and flexibility. Okay, great. And Jet Pilot, Slippery, all the other guys, O'Neill, they're all going to make life vests that are comfortable and have good mobility and don't scratch your skin. But they'll meet the very, very minimum of the U.S. Coast Guard when it comes to actually buoying your body and get you upright. The only people that I knew who took that stuff absolutely seriously was a guy named Mark Gerner and his crew at PWC Offshore. They almost all of them wore a Lifeline, Kevlar-lined, thick, monster offshore boat racing vest. These are what all the boat racers wore. They had a big Kevlar collar that went around, that big padding, and you could be holding kettlebells and jump into the water, and it would buoy you up, and it'd buoy you upright, and it would get your head above water about this far. Those things, absolutely. Now, mind you, they are not cheap. They are expensive. They are Kevlar lined. Many of them are, not all of them, because a big Donzi offshore race boat, and you're sitting there, got it pinned open, and those, 502 big blocks that you've got friggin' spooling up, with 871 blowers behind you, goes kaboom and let's go. You want something protecting your neck. You want something protecting your back. You want, your helmet's protecting your head. If that thing goes boom and blows up in front of you or behind you, you need protection. And that's what the Lifeline vests were. You go to Lifeline Life Vests, Google it. It'll come up. They are not cheap, but I will tell you what, dude, I'm exaggerating, but I'm like, you could take a gunshot. They are absolutely primo. They are primo. And I wore one for two races, and they're heavy, they're big, but I jumped in the water fully geared up, and I was floating up to here. I'm sitting there like waiting, like I was a little kid with floaties on. And I'm like, hey, Dad, look at me. I'm swimming. It was ridiculous. The vests there's a reason. You're going to pay for it. You're going to pay for it. So if the rule book says, okay, hey, listen, our safety crew cannot get to you faster than 30 seconds or however long, you guys need to wear a life vest that's going to get your head completely out of water. A Jet Pilot, a Slippery, an O'Neill, a Jet Tribe, they do not have the flotation to do it. All right? They don't have the crotch straps, which the Lifelines do. They don't have the multiple fasteners, because I've had vests with break buckles before. I've had them break buckles. It happens. These things aren't. They're stout. They're totally stout. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.